Hi everyone, Britt here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be talking about a 2021 penny that is selling like hotcakes. I literally just sold one of these for $150, and I want to show you guys how you can too. So yeah, this is a coin right here pictured on the screen. If you look through all your change and you see a coin with this die break, this major die break going through it, and here's a close-up on my microscope. If you see this on your coin, you can sell this on eBay for up to $300-400 possibly. I sold mine for the cheaper end because I wanted to get rid of it quickly, and I ended up selling it within 24 hours of posting. So be on the lookout for this coin, guys. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.